we will be learning about a new subtopic called cellular level of organization. You might read the storybook or any book. Inside the book are what we call sentences, and each sentences are made up of words. What makes the word called letters? So, why am I telling you guys about this breakdown of a story into letters? Just like this, world is made up of something smaller than it, which is called basic unit. We are going to dive into a really important part of all living things called cells. Every single organism, whether they are humans, animals or plants, or the tiniest microorganism that can or cannot be seen with the naked eyes, are made up of cells. Cells are the basic unit of life. Cells organize in three ways to make the bodies of organisms. Cells make unicellular, colonials and multicellular organizations, and the organisms formed through these organizations are unicellular organisms, colonial organisms and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organization. In unicellular organization, only one cell makes the life of an organism. All the life activities are carried out by the only cell. Amoeba, Paramecium, and Euglena are common examples. Colonial organization. In colonial type of cellular organization, many unicellular organisms live together, but do not have any division of labor among them. Each unicellular organism in a colony lives its own life and does not depend on other cells for its vital requirements. Volvox is a green alga found in water that shows colonial organization. Hundreds of Volvox cells make a colony. Multicellular organization. In multicellular organization, cells are organized in the form of tissues, organs and organ systems. Frog and mustard are the familiar examples of multicellular organization.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and support us. Like, share, and subscribe our channel, SKW. We will try our best to give simple and effective educational information via the use of the best animation.